Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristen, and thank you so much for being here. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below so you can be a part of my family. Today I'm going to be bringing you this look that I created right here. It is my fall inspired makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoy it. I definitely enjoyed how it turned out, and yeah, if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my face with these two primers here. It's the Too Faced Hangover RX and the Cover FX Blurring Primer. I use this one first, and I just use it all over the face. And then I use about a pea-sized amount, and I mostly just put it in this area here where I have a lot of pores. For today's foundation, I'm going in with the NYX Full Coverage Foundation, the Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I have the color Neutral Tan. Okay, I definitely applied 2 layers of that because I like really full coverage. I liked it better when I applied it with my beauty blender, just so you guys know. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the color light medium. Now I'm just going to go ahead and bake with my airspun powder. Now I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with my Lancome powder. This is a dual finish powder, and it's in 370 bisque. And now I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my face with the Morphe Dual Bronzer. This is the one in Vlogger. So it has 2 different colors in the pan. I just kind of go in there and mix them up and then put it on my face. I love this brush. To be honest, I was not super excited for it. I just feel like it was way too big for my face, so I was I don't know if I can bronze with this, but literally I do my bronzer in 2 seconds with this. It is so good. So it's the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH02 brush. So I really highly recommend that brush. It is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour with this contour shade. This is the darkest shade in the NYX contour palette, and I still have it. The other ones are used and abused, so I'm going to go ahead and use this on my Eda brush and just sketch out my cheekbones even more. I'm going to go ahead and highlight underneath my eyes and everywhere we pretty much put our concealer with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. This is in 2 medium. It is pretty light because I was going to try to use it as an all-over face powder, but it's too light for my whole face, so I just kind of use it as a brightening powder, and I really like it. It's a very fine powder, and it makes you look airbrushed. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight with my Smashbox highlighter. This is in Gilded Rose. I know it's a collaboration, but it's so pretty because it's a rose in there. It's so cute. Since our face is pretty much done, I'm going to go ahead and set with my MAC Fix Plus. and kind of set this all down so it stays. Alright, now that our face is all set, go ahead and move on to the eyes. The first palette I'm going to pull is the Morphe Day Slayer. This is the 15D, I guess. But I'm mainly going to use it for this shade here in the middle. It is a very bright, like orangey shade. And yeah, it's called In the Crease. And then I'm going to jump to my Soft Glam palette as well by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And pretty much just use all these warm tones in here. So yeah. I'm going for a kind of like chocolatey smoky eye. So first I'm going to go in with Orange Soda and Burnt Orange in the Anastasia palette. This is going to be our transition shade. And I'm going to pretty much put it all over like the lid and be pretty sloppy with this. Now I'm going to go in with In the Crease in my Morphe palette. Now I'm going to go in with that same In the Crease shade and bring it all the way down to my lower lash line, creating a very smoky effect. To get the orange to show up a little bit, I had to mix a little bit of a darker color, and I'm going to see if I stamp this on, it'll be more orange. Now I'm going in with Cypress Umber and Mulberry, and I'm going to mix them to create a really like chocolatey red shade, and that's going to go all over the lid. Okay, now I'm going to grab a little bit more of that orange shade and really smoke this out and make sure there's no harsh lines and blend it out. Alrighty, now I'm going to go in with my Inglot gel liner, and this is in 77, I think. Just the blackest gel liner I've ever used in my life. And I'm just going to tightline my upper like lashes. And yeah, I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just going to stop like right where my eye stops, I guess, if that makes any sense. I don't know what I'm saying. I like how that turned out, and it's literally like the blackest eyeliner I've ever used. So if you need a black eyeliner, that's definitely the one to go for. And now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes. They're the new Balsam lashes in Bombay. They're so pretty. They are mink lashes, but they're just to die for. They're super long and fluffy, and yeah, I'm going to apply these and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Glistening, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Now I'm going to go in with my ColourPop lip pencil. This is in Grunge. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. Okay, so it's a little more cool tone than I wanted, but that's okay because I think our lip color that we're going to use is going to look a little bit better. So I'm going to go in with Knock on Wood by Dose of Colors. And it's a very like warm tone shade, I feel. While this is like kind of setting in and drying, I'm actually going to go over the top of my highlight I did before. I'm going to go in with Laura Geller Gilded Honey. I think it'll kind of match a little bit better with the look we did instead of that other highlighter we used earlier. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and change my outfit and I'll be right back. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below if you want to be part of my family, and don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Hey, yo.